Doug Auld. I work for the Novartis Institute for Biomedical Research in Cambridge, Mass. And I'm an assay development scientist. I've been working in that field for about 17 years. And at Novartis, I do a lot of early phase drug discovery efforts, lead discovery efforts. I see SLAS as a community of scientists and engineers that work in the tough field of drug discovery. And the culture is very much collaborative. I think while we're here, we have a chance to really meet each other, and people from many different backgrounds coming from different angles of either analytical science or basic biology. And it's quite a nice mix actually to discuss ideas. There's a lot of good science that's presented, but I would say that one of the strongest benefits is networking with other colleagues, as well as keeping up with older colleagues that you may not have seen in a few years. And this is a nice place for everybody to get together and catch up. For me, again, it's a high energy environment. There's a lot going on, so part of SLS is finding the time to do everything while you're here. So I get a lot of information about new technologies, and in addition to the networking opportunities with other scientists. A few years ago, I had struck up a collaboration with Promega and Thermo Fisher on reportogene enzymes that they had been characterizing. I had been looking at artifacts in reportogene assays related to the commonly used enzyme firefly luciferase, and they had new enzymes in that category, which I didn't know about at the time. When we were at SLS, we started discussing a collaboration, and at Novartis, we then took those enzymes in and evaluated them against a small library, and characterized the types of compounds that interfere with them. And Novartis and Thermo Fisher and Promega published a result in ACS Chemical Biology just this year, describing that profile, which is now being used to develop improved reportogene assays. So that was a really nice kind of scientific investigation into this common assay format. Come transform research.